You should know that you don't necessarily have to go it alone if you're thinking about investing in real estate. At any given time, there are several other people that are contemplating the same thing as you, and, like you, they may not have the proper resources to begin the process either. Building partnerships to invest in real estate is just one of the great ways to start building an income through investment real estate. One of the benefits of having someone else investing in property with you is that it allows for more minds to be focused on the process. This will greatly reduce the possibility of missing any important aspects of the deal. This is especially important at the start of the process. If you are unsure of different aspects of real estate investing, or if you don't think that you can cover each and every area alone, a partner can be a great help in covering any areas you may miss. Everything from drawing up contracts to handling third-party necessities, such as inspections, can be handled by your partner or partners. After all, two or sometimes more heads are better than one, particularly if you are just starting out. Having a partner to help you with investing can also be beneficial when it comes to organizational needs that will have to be fulfilled during and after the transaction. When handled by two or more people, everything from basic paperwork to taxes and even procedures can be more thoroughly covered. You will want to make sure that everything is in place to enable you to create the greatest potential profit. With a partner on the deal, it is understood that whatever is not handled by you will be covered by them in order to keep the partnership successful. By having more than just one person included in the investment of real estate properties, you will have the ability to set your goals, keep standards, and move forward in the business. Finding the right person who has the necessary tools will ensure to a large degree that you will achieve success. Having the right help and/or team will give you the ability to expand your chance of success by capitalizing on their knowledge and experience.